What's up, YouTube? I don't think you know what I have in store for you today. This is the Nike NSW Gaiter Boot. That's right, this is a Gaiter boot. What does that mean? God knows. You'll find out today. Before you do, I just want to point out this is a Nike Lab sneaker, which means it's pretty special. It's got a nice fancy little box similar to the Foamposites. As you can see, there's a flash of orange right there. I know you're getting super eager. So let's not delay any further. Here they are. What? What are these? What are they for? These are all valid questions. Let's take a second and appreciate their fireness. Got some hiking pattern at the bottom as well. I should point out that these are like hiking shoes, I guess. I don't know for sure. So they're almost fully water resistant, I guess you can say. They've got a zipper enclosure, and the tightening mechanism is back here. That right there is the tightening mechanism. All in all, I think it's a fire sneaker. And as usual, you're lucky enough to watch me throw them on. This might take some time because, well, they're not too conventional. There might be a learning curve involved, excuse me. But I think it seems pretty simple. These are open here. This here is what tightens up. If you're wondering, when you pull this back tab, you tighten up this inner sock material that they have here. Let me just throw these on. I think these are kind of fire just to rock on occasion. People won't know what hit them, you know? A lot of sneakerheads think they know sneakers, but I'm sure many of them are not familiar with these. And like usual, I did buy this at the Nike outlet. Usually I end up copying a lot of my sneakers at the Nike outlet. This is how I suggest rocking them. I think they're pretty fire like this, all loose. But if you must, you can zip them up. Just like that. It does take a second. You can keep the back tabs hanging out like that. Or you can go ahead and zip them up all the way and button them across. Just like that. Now I know a lot of the reason this shoe is complete fire is because it's orange. A lot of people aren't comfortable wearing orange sneakers. That's fine for them, but I think they're missing out. You gotta tell me that these are pretty sick, you know? You've never seen anything like them. They're pretty comfortable. They got good support everywhere. I think I might actually wear these out one day. One day, just not today. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always share your opinion. If it's wrong, somebody might be able to help correct you. In my opinion, that is. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.